How to install Rainbow Six Mobile on your iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how you can easily download the Rainbow Six Mobile on your iOS device. So let's get started. First of all, launch open your App Store on your iOS and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once you're inside, go ahead and click the search icon at the bottom right corner and in the search bar type in Rainbow Six Mobile and search. Look for the Rainbow Six Mobile game from Ubisoft Nova and tap on the Get button. On your iOS, you'll need to authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password. So go ahead and complete the authentication and the download process will begin. Wait until the application downloads, which will take a couple of minutes. And once it's done, you can easily play the game. Downloading and installing Rainbow Six Mobile is as simple as downloading any App Store games once it appears in your region. After that, you are ready to jump into intense 5 versus 5 tactical matches, strategy-based gameplay, and fast mobile firefights. Enjoy the game and have fun on the battlefield. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.